Hi, this is Afreen Rahman, and welcome to yet another episode of Data Career. Right now, data science and analytics remain one of the most sought after careers for some time now. To that end, that the domain has been witnessing a heavy influx of professionals from across the spectrum. Right now, here today in this video, I'm going to talk about 10 different things that you should focus upon while you are wanting to transition into the analytics domain, right? Whichever domain that you're coming in from, these are the 10 pointers that you need to, keep in check. And always remember, do hit that like button, do hit that subscribe button, because point number 789 is going to strike a chord with you. So stay tuned for the video ahead. So let's start with our 10 pointers. Point number 1, familiarity with data and numbers, right? Right from when we were kids, we've been told that, numbers is important or studying data is important. So the first and foremost requirement for a data scientist is to be comfortable with data and numbers, right? Because see, data scientists deal with a huge volume of, data daily, and they should have an appetite for numbers that will make things very easy for them. Number 1 is that. Number 2 is focusing on fundamentals of analytics, right? Always, your fundamentals for any subject, be it maths, English, science, whatever, it should be clear, and that remains the same for analytics, right? It is essential to get the analytics fundamentals, such as your algorithms, models, programming languages, SQL, etc., down cold to carve a successful career in this domain, right? A rounded view of different, data science domains such as data engineering, business analytics, etc., will help you choose the specialization and which kind of skill sets you need to focus upon, right? Point number 3 is being multi-dimensional. Now, every data scientist has to be multi-dimensional, meaning that a candidate should be able to perform tasks such as data modeling to creating algorithms to data visualization. Now, a one-dimensional kind of way of thinking and focusing on only one aspect of data science might slow down your growth in your career trajectory, right? Point number 4, problem solving skills. Now, the candidate should have an innate curiosity and problem solving skills. This is so important in every career aspect, right? So in data science, as a data scientist, you need to excel in the field of data science. So problem solving is a very crucial step to deconstruct business problems and build relevant solutions, right? And you also should know algorithms on how to tackle these problems, right? So those looking to transition into data science should study industry use cases to hone their analytical thinking skills, right? Then comes point number 5, which is solving business problems. Now, candidates look to pivot into data science, right, domain, and they want to be capable of solving critical business problems using certain data science tools. So companies basically look for candidates who can solve business problems and develop business strategies. So having a good grip on the client's business is critical for overall success. Point number 6, build deep specialization, right? Now, data opens up a galaxy of possibilities, but to make a name for yourself, it's crucial that you pick up a specialization and you build on it, right? Become a master of that trade. Now, learning programming languages, database management system, data frameworks, libraries, BI tools will equip you for the long haul, right? Point number 7, like I said, very important. This is what you need to focus upon. Don't mistake tools for techniques. Now, experts will advise you that one should not keep chasing tools alone. A lot of people have think that they only know tools, then they'll be able to do, because that will not help you in the long run, right? Giving the how fast speed this field is, the nature of this field is, you need to focus on fundamentals. Remember that point number 2, fundamentals and the basic techniques that will help you in the long run, right? Then the next point number 8, don't just focus on coding and programming languages. Now, when a candidate is looking to transition into data science, the most common advice that will come your way is to learn programming languages such as Python, learn R, right? While coding and learning languages, programming languages have its merit. I'm not saying that it does not. It is not the only requirement that you need to transition into the data science role. Now, many people think learning Python, is equal to learning analytics, which is so not true, right? Point number 9, focus on communication and presentation skill like any other job profile, right? Well, like I would say, like you would say that this is a prerequisite in almost all fields. Soft skills in data science comes with a huge payoff, right? It especially becomes important as one progresses in their career. So the job of a data scientist involves communicating with the stakeholders to relay business insights. So good communication and storytelling capabilities are key to doing that and going an extra mile in your career. And point number 10, one of the most important point that is keep on upskilling, right? Data science is all about tools and technologies that keep evolving at a supersonic speed. So therefore, to make a successful career in data science, it is of utmost importance to keep upskilling and be clued in on the latest developments, right? Being a continuous learner and having a finger on the market's pulse that can boost your data science career by leaps and bounds. Well, these are the 10 pointers that we had for you to transition into the field of analytics from any other domain. Let us know if you know any more pointers in the comment section below, and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos ahead. Bye bye.